Hi, I'm Brett Leducer. I'm the chef at Fat Olives Restaurant, and today we are going to do a Seafood Cioppino. Cioppino is a Italian tomato-based seafood stew, traditionally served over pasta. At the restaurant we're serving it with rice, but it's basically, if you're familiar with the bouillabaisse, which is the French version, every nationality basically has a seafood stew, but this is the Italian version. The ingredients that we'll be using today, this is a San Francisco style cioppino, so it has fennel bulb, shallots, onion, garlic, crushed red chilies. We're using fire roasted tomatoes, tomato paste, white wine, and a seafood stock. Today we are using lobster. So first we'll start with a little olive oil. Shallots, and onion, and we will saute this in the olive oil until it is tender. And a little olive oil. And we'll saute off seafood. We are using Argentinian red prawns, scallops, we have fresh clams, and traditionally a white fish. Today we are using sturgeon. Sear on the salad. Spinach cioppino sauce. We just cook until all the clams open up and all the seafood is finished cooking. Just heat this a little bit, and while that is going, we are going to heat up our pasta. Heating up our fettuccine that we already cooked off. Simmering until our clams open up. shaved Parmesan. Garnish of fresh parsley. Finished with some of our house-made herb and roasted garlic focaccia. And that is our seafood cioppino.